Here I've got OnePlus 6 Pro, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open your camera app, and then find and select timer icon, which is here. If you will click, you can select the period of time that you would like to apply and just tap. As you can see now, the picture will be taken with 10 seconds delay, so just wait 10 seconds and then the picture will be taken. And that's it. Then you can obviously pick 3 seconds or 5 seconds, it's up to you. And if you'd like to switch the timer off, click here again and select off. And as you can see now, the picture is taken right after you click. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can activate photo delay, how you can activate camera timer in your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.